Welcome, and today I'm going to show you how we can do Val QD2 mission in Skate 4. So what we'll need to do is place some object near the car. So let's open the menu where our quick drop object is, and let's put some objects. So let's put a bigger ramp like this one, and as you can see, you can rotate it using these buttons. So I'm going to rotate it and place it. And here we can place again other object, a rail to grind on. So let's put a rail so you'll be able to grind that thing. Okay, let's straighten it. And okay, now we need to get some speed and flip trick over car. So let's get started. Okay, we need some speed. Let's set our session marker right here, so it will be faster for us. Okay. Okay, now we can grind. And we got 2 points out of 4. And let's finish flip tricks over the car. So it is pretty simple. You got an idea how to do it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys, and see you in the next one.